It's often undermined, but it does make a difference. Those idle hotel rooftops are highly versatile and can be great for business. So what does it take to have a well-designed and well-equipped hotel rooftop? Well, comfort and ambiance are the first things you should be looking at. You want adequate lighting to trigger relaxation. A poolside lounge may have a different lighting than a bar and a restaurant. In any case, you want each zone to seamlessly blend into one another. Next comes seating. Your guest demographic and whether you have a rooftop pool helps determine the seating arrangement. Is your primary demographic business travelers, families, millennials, or extended stay guests? Work your way up from there. And regardless of the demographic, nothing quite kindles coziness like a fire pit. You can also choose fire tables or a fireplace to bring people together. While fire pits might be perfect as the sun goes down, a carefully engineered pool area will keep your guest entertained all day long. A cantilevered pool or an infinity pool will add a whole new aesthetic to not only your rooftop, but also to the exterior. After fire and water, the next earthy element to truly amp up your rooftop is greenery. Incorporating green walls, vines, plants, and even trees will promote a fresh energy. Culture the bees or grow fresh produce for your bar or restaurant. Your guest will love the extra care. Next, depending on your franchise and budget, a rooftop restaurant may be a good idea. You can also expand your F&B options to a bar, lounge, casual cafe, or even a chic shack. Go al fresco for something economic and cool. There's always a design to fit your budget. If you want your hotel to generate a buzz, make sure that it reflects authentic and local elements. And if you have more space to spare, turn it into a socializing zone by hosting yoga classes at dawn, meetups during the day, and performances in the evening. Make the experience count.